In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview, publish, and unpublish your Wix Studio website. Whether you're new to Wix Studio or just looking to refresh your skills, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to make sure you're on the official Wix Studio platform. This is the web platform that's tailored specifically for agencies and enterprises, offering a host of features to help you create and manage stunning websites. Head over to the Wix Studio website, and once you're there, it's time to log in. Look for the login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Simply click on it and it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Next, to ease the login process, you can choose the continue with Google option, which is quite convenient if you have a Google account. This method is not only secure but also quick, eliminating the need to remember yet another password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now let's talk about previewing your site. This is an essential step, especially if you want to ensure everything looks just as you planned before going live. In the Wix Studio editor, locate the preview icon and give it a click. This will allow you to view your website just as visitors would see it. Take this opportunity to check for any design tweaks or content edits that might be needed. Satisfied with your preview? Great. The next step is to publish your site. Look for the Publish button within the editor. Clicking this will make your website visible to the public. Remember, once published, any changes you make will need to be published again for them to appear on the live site. Moving on, if you ever need to temporarily take your site offline, Wix Studio makes this quite straightforward as well. Click on the Wix Studio icon in the menu, which will bring you back to the dashboard. Here you have the option to navigate to settings. You'll find this useful if you need to access various options related to the management of your site. Within the settings, you'll see website settings. Clicking on this brings you to more specific options for managing your site. Here you'll also find an option to unpublish your site. Clicking unpublish will remove your site from the public view, which can be beneficial for site maintenance or major redesigns. And there you have it, the essentials of previewing, publishing and unpublishing your Wix Studio website. With these tools at your disposal, managing your online presence becomes a seamless task, giving you more time to focus on creating engaging content for your audience. Thanks for joining me today and happy site building.